In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pipedrive web form. Web forms in Pipedrive are a simple way to capture leads directly into your pipeline from your website, social posts, or email signatures. I'll walk you through creating one from a built-in template and show you what to customize so it fits your process. Start by opening Pipedrive and looking at the left-hand panel. Click on Leads. This is the hub for capturing and qualifying new opportunities before they enter your main pipeline. Inside the Leads area, find and click Web Forms. If you don't see it immediately, expand the menu or scroll. It lives within the lead capture tools. If this is your first time using web forms, Pipedrive will guide you with a quick welcome. Click Continue to Web Forms, then select Try Web Forms to open the feature. These prompts only appear the first time and help set up the workspace. You'll see several templates. Choose Contact Us. It's a clean, versatile starting point designed to gather essential details like a name, an email address, and a message. Templates save time, and you can adjust everything later. Next, click Create Form. This opens the editor. Begin by giving your form a clear internal name, so teammates can identify it later. If there's a public title or description, make it friendly and direct, such as inviting people to request a callback or ask a question. Now, tailor the fields. Add or remove information you want to collect, like company, phone, or a drop-down for inquiry type. Keep it as short as possible to maximize completion rates. Set the most important fields as required, and drag to reorder so the form flows naturally. As you add fields, make sure they map to the correct person, organization, or lead fields in Pipedrive, so your data lands in the right place without manual cleanup. Style the form to match your brand. Adjust colors, button text, and any header or logo options available. Then, fine-tune the submission experience. Write a clear success message that tells people what happens next, and choose a language that matches your audience. If there's an option for spam protection, enable it to keep your inbox clean. You can also set who in your team should own new leads created by this form, and, if offered, pick a default pipeline or label to keep everything organized from the start. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. Saving preserves your work and lets you come back to refine it anytime. That's it. You've created a Pipedrive web form. Keep your fields focused, your message clear, and your branding consistent, and you'll start capturing higher quality leads with less friction.